Hi, this is Lisa Pearl Live, and I'm en route to the radio show that I do tonight at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard on City World Radio. That is www.cityworldradio.com. That's Lisa Pearl Live on Pearls of the Sea or Sea of Pearls or whatever I decide to call it now. There's possibility of renaming the show. Anyways, Lisa Pearl Live, and I am in Manhattan right now. I'm in Port Authority, actually in the subway, about to enter the subway in the bus terminal area. And I stopped not only to say hello and let you guys know to please tune in at 6 Eastern Standard to my show, but there's some awesome musical artists playing right now. Okay, maybe. Try this for a minute. I'm going to turn around.